Hi, my name is Vincent Neary, and I'm the customer consultant for Reaxys for the UK, Ireland, and the Nordic territories. Today, I would like to show you how you can use Reaxys to investigate an IP space with a patent map. To set the scene, we are looking to explore the area of solid-state batteries. We want to see who else is working in this area and discover all patents published in the last 10 years. Once we have this information, we need a simple way to visualize the patent landscape to identify our biggest competitors in this space. To visualize the patent landscape, we will use Reaxys to perform a document search from the keywords all solid state and battery. We will then limit to documents by publication year and patent assignee. We will then export the patent documents into Excel. And finally, we will draw a patent map by utilizing the bubble chart feature in Excel. Let's go to reaxys.com. We will start our search from the quick search and enter our keywords of interest. We use quotation marks as we want all these three terms to remain together. We also use the asterisks for truncation, so that we search for all variations in the ending of this term. We then click on Find. The results show documents containing our keywords which are highlighted. In our case, we are investigating patents published in the last 10 years. So to do this, we first filter by document type and select patent. In our results, we can already see a considerable number of patents due to our patent expansion project that started in 2021. Now we want to limit our results to patents published in the last 10 years. To do this, we use the publication year filter. If we filter by value, we can use the greater than symbol and enter our cutoff year of interest. We limit to once more. Now we want to further narrow our search to companies with the largest patent portfolio in our topic area. To do this, we use the patent assignee filter. In here, we can refine further and select the top 10 chemical companies filing patents on our topic. After selecting our 10 assignees, we click on Limit To. We now have our patents of interest. We can now export these into Excel. We select our format, selecting any options of interest, then export. In the resulting export, we will utilize two rows, patent assignee and patent year. We will then delete any non-relevant rows. Once we have this information, we then click on Insert and Pivot Table. In here, we've selected current patent assignee into row, patent year into columns, and patent year also into values. We have now generated our pivot table sheet. As we cannot make a graph or chart based on this pivot table, we need to copy and paste this into another sheet. We will then continue with some further processing before we can make a bubble chart. After some further work, we can now create a patent map by using the bubble chart option. This map shows you instantly which companies have published patents actively in which year. It will also help us to see trend shifts as well. In our chart, we can see that Fuji Holdings and Toyota Motor Corporation have been very active between 2019 and 2021. We can also see that these are our largest competitors. Toyota has also filed a relevant number of patents already this year. Looking at the patent output from LG Chem Co Limited, these would also be a company for us to monitor. Overall, the exported data from Reaxys allows us to create this kind of map and help us to obtain new insights. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please join me in the live Q&A section where I'll be available to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.